Last week, I posted a video and it went a little bit viral about retiring on $1,500 a month. And I had a ton of comments, a ton of views, huge reactions. So many people misunderstood. So I'm gonna clear that up today. It's very important that you guys understand that that video about retiring on $1,500 a month has nothing to do with me. Missed the point. Hundreds of comments. You should have saved. Social Security was never meant to be retirement. Duh. You're a bad planner. You should be embarrassed. But let's talk about that. First, I give you what you're saying on that, Generation X. Social Security was never meant to be someone's entire retirement. It just wasn't. I understand that. I can read. Not to be a smartass. Here's my question though. What do we do with the more than 30 million Americans about that who are going to retire with little or nothing besides Social Security, and then another 20 million after that warming up, telling us we should have planned better? How the hell is that helpful? It doesn't pay their rent. Certainly doesn't fill their stomachs. Solves nothing. Let me clear some stuff up for the people that were worried about me. A lot of people assumed that I was saying my retirement was $1,500 in SSI. No. When I decide to take my SSI, Social Security, my benefits are going to be over $3,000 a month. I'm not bragging. I'm just saying I had 1,000 people go, oh my gosh, you're not going to be able to live. So don't worry about me. 1,500 numbers. The $1,500 a month was just a conversation starter, guys. Judging from the comments though, definitely started a huge conversation. Here's the part that matters. Forget about me. Millions of us are not even going to be close to $1,000 a month on SSI. I hear it every day. $600, $700, $800 a month is the only money they're going to have. It's not because that we were lazy. Shit happens, man. Divorce, medical bills, you get fired for no reason or laid off. Maybe you're a booze hound like I was. It's not, you didn't completely fail. People start over every day. The name of the channel. Sometimes you have to quit your job to take care of your mom. 2008, remember the recession? And then some of us just never made enough money to save any money. So easy to be mean and judge a story that somebody you've never even seen before. I am so lucky and grateful. I own businesses and I was fairly successful. Now I did lose all of it, but I rebuilt my life completely over. And because I rebuilt my life, my wife and I have another option. In less than 3 years, we're gonna move to Santa Rosa de Cabal in South America, next to Pereira in the mountains. She's from there. We have an option. I've spent a lot of time researching and I have friends that live there. Santa Rosa is in the mountains. The weather is 75 to 55 every day of the year. It's slower. Food is fresh and mostly chemical free. Healthcare costs are pennies on the dollar and world class. The people are warm. Coffee region is beautiful. For us, it offers us a chance to only need $500 a month, but make $3,100 a month. if you get what I'm saying. I'm not saying everyone should move to Colombia. That's not what I'm saying. I'm not saying America is bad. I love America. It simply means there are different ways to build a better future, unless my message never been, feel sorry for me. It's always been, take ownership, responsibility for where you are today. If you're 35 though, start planning now. If you're 45, it's not too late. You still got 20 years-ish. If you're 57 though, you got to keep rebuilding with the time that you have left, because starting over doesn't have an expiration date. One of the guys I coach is 72. And before you judge 30 million Americans who don't have enough money to retire, maybe we should ask how we create a different environment where fewer people are in that situation. Makes me upset. Because this conversation isn't really about retirement. It's about hope. It's about choices. It's about refusing to believe your life is over because you're getting older. My name is Eric, and I have a coaching business. I help people start over however old you are. If you're interested in something like that, hit me with an inbox. I so appreciate you all watching. If you feel like you could use somebody, some help to help you start over, hit me with a DM. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.